here's proportionality theorems. I have the answers up there on the board for the evens, so I'm also going to work through the evens here. When you do this, you just set up proportions. So it's same like we've been doing, line equals line. I'm going to do the reds and then the blues. So it's going to be the red 10 divided by 8, and then the red 15 divided by x. So when you cross multiply this, it's 10x. 15 times 8 is 120 equals 120. Then you divide, and then x equals 12. Okay, so here you have the x, and then you have this part here. So we want the same parts here. This and then this. So this red part at the bottom, 28 minus 16 is 12. So this one is 12 because they add up to 28. Then you can set it up. So on the top you have x, another proportion. You have x divided by 28. And then on the bottom you have 12 divided by 16. This should be blue, 16. I'm going to make this a little bit easier on myself. I'm going to do x over 28 equals 12 over 16 reduces to 3/4. So then it's 4x equals 28 times 3 is 84. Then divide by 4, you get x equals 21. Okay, so this will be the same setup. You have, a little bit different. So 4 divided by the blue here is 10. Then you have x divided by the blue here is 15. So same thing, set up a proportion, and then you can cross multiply and solve. I'm going to go to the next page. Well, I'll just tell you, I'll just draw on these, set them up. So you can do the red divided by the blue for this side, and then the red divided by the blue on this side, and then that'll get you the answer. I don't know if that's different than the first one I did. It works out the same if it was. Let's go into these solve for x ones, because these are the more complex ones. So here's the red, divided by the blue, So you have 2x minus 10 divided by, I'll make this black, 2x minus 10, and then 5 are the red ones. The blue ones, 2x minus 10 goes with 4, 5 goes with 2. This doesn't reduce, so I'm just going to do this. You have this 2, and then you have the 4 here, equals the red ones. 2 is multiplied by 2x minus 10, and then 4 is multiplied by 5. So when you do this, it's going to be 4x, because you have to distribute this. 4x plus, 4x minus 20 equals 20. So add 20, you get 4x equals 40, and then x equals 10. There's only a few left. Let's do this one. This one's more complex. So what do we have here? Let's do red and blue, and then red and blue. So the reds are on top. This is going to be 16. So 16 and 36. Then the blues, this is 20, and this is 3x plus 15. I want to make this simpler myself, so 16 over 20 reduces to 4 over 5. So when I work this out, it's going to be 4 over 5 is equal to, this reduces also. Yeah, let's do that. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Then 3x divided by 3 is x. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Wow, that makes this way simpler. Okay, so 5 times 12. It's 5 and 12. And then on the other side is going to be 4x plus 5. So that's 60 equals 4x plus 20. Subtract 20, you get 40 equals 4x. That's the same as that other one. X equals 10. 15. So that's basically how to do and set up all the evens. I mean, if you need help with this one too, it's going to be the red and the red divided by the blue and the blue. And then this one is what, 9? So x over 3 divided by 6, 15 over 9, 15 divided by 9, you cross multiply and solve. So I will stop this and then you guys can finish it. So for the 14th, if you finish the classwork, you can start on the quiz on Canvas. There shouldn't be a password on it, and then yeah, good luck.